Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be telling you very important skill if you are learning something or if you want to learn something. So what are the steps you should take? Suppose I am learning something in Excel and I want to find out or I want to generate random numbers in Excel. So now I have 1 2 3 4. I have options here, but I am little bit confused, like which option to go and what option does what and what function does what. So as a learner, what should be your next step? Means as in from where you will be seeking the help. Number one, you will go to your mentor, or number two, you will ask chat gpt as chat gpt, and number third you will google it, or tell me in the comment section what will be your fourth option. So apart from this, my number one option to solve a problem is that whenever you are stuck at any problem, just simply go to Chrome or any browser whichever you use. Then you are solving a problem of Microsoft Excel. So just write Microsoft Excel documentation, and I will tell you the benefit of this. So Excel help and learning support Microsoft.com. Just click over this and just write your doubt here. Want to find random, or you can write want to get the random numbers in Excel. So here you will be getting options like what are the options and what is the that syntax and what is the description and what is the syntax or formula of that function in Excel does. As you can see here, the remarks and what is the example also, like a random number generates then more or equal to 0 or less than 1, and what is rand 100 does, and another option a random whole number or greater than varies. So I am telling you this because learning from documentation of whatever skill you are learning is more useful rather than going to chat gpt or sometimes just googling things on Google. So that's why I want to convey this message that always learn from the documentation, or if you are got stuck and you are not able to find anything in documentation, then you should approach someone else. So I hope my message is clear to all the freshers who are learning something, and even not for Excel also, but if you want to learn something else, some another skills, so you can go for this approach. And if you have any approach rather than this, you can mention in the comment. And thank you for all the support you are giving to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.